and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm doing a Marks & Spencer's haul for a family of 5 for a week. This shop is £165. It's more than I usually spend, but Ryan and the kids with me, and they've ended up putting in some extra things. But also we had some sandwiches out, and we bought them from Marks & Spencer's as well, so that's put the price up a little bit as well. I also wanted to say before I get into the haul, I will put timestamps down below if you want to jump straight into it, because I just want to just chat a little bit before I make the video. So this is going to be my last haul for a while. I really appreciate everyone who comes over and likes watching these videos. I have made quite a few, and I will put a playlist above if you want to go out and check out previous hauls over the last couple of years. So yeah, I am thinking of moving more towards meals of the week. A lot of you have been telling me how much you like seeing the meals, the cooking, and I have missed out meals of the week these last couple of weeks because it's just been so busy. So what I thought I would do, instead of food haul Fridays, I thought I might just do like meals of the week or meals of the day, or like cooking, different things. I also want to start making different type of content again as well, because if you are new here or if you only watch these types of videos, I also like making reviews, vlogs. My channel started out with like childbirth, so it's just kind of like changed, and I've just been concentrating a lot on food. But I want to kind of incorporate some of my other interests, so I'm gonna have a good think, but I don't just want to stop uploading completely. I don't know if I'm going to have a break yet or not, but if I do, I'm going to I'll update you on the community tab. And I'm also on Instagram. It's Simone Alana Official. I will put it down in the description box if you want to go over and check me out over there, because I do put photos on sometimes and videos and things like that. So yeah, if you have any ideas or favourite types of videos that I make, then please just let me know. But like I said, going forward, I don't think I'll be doing any more food hauls. Yeah, so what I will do though is if you really do like food hauls, I will link a couple of my friends' channels down below who I think you may like, such as Mummy Cleans, Charlotte, and also Elizabeth, Lucy. She does. I've talked about it before. She does really big, like huge family hauls. She's got 4 kids, and Charlotte, she's got 2 children. So she usually does Tesco. I don't know if it's Aldi as well, and Elizabeth likes doing Sainsbury's haul. So I know that some of you watch their channels like Glenda. Just want to give a big shout out to Glenda. She's absolutely amazing. But there's so many lovely people who've been supporting me with these food hauls, and I just want to say a massive thank you once again. So I've been talking now for like 3 minutes, so I think I've taken up enough of your time. So I'm going to get on with the haul now. Everything's a little bit muddled up because I just threw everything out. So we've got these 2 whole oat milks. They changed the packaging, and when I went in last time, I bought the semi one, and I tasted the semi and the whole. It didn't taste no different, sorry. And on the back, the calories and everything is not much different, so I don't really know what the difference is. I got some of this conditioner and some spinach. I'll get you some in a minute, darling. And this frozen cabbage again, I got some last week and it was amazing. Cabbage. This, oh, I can't wait to try this. This is chocolate hazelnut plant-based. So I think I'll make the kids some porridge with this, but I want to try some on its own as well. And then some big oranges, cucumber. We've got 2 packs of eggs. Ryan and the kids really love their eggs. Some bananas. The satsumas was reduced from £2.50 to 50p. Some British white potatoes, carrots, more bananas, courgette. Yeah, Neighbour chose that.
Oh,
lemons.
I like that.
You like that one?
I like the chocolate.
Oh, that one's not got chocolate. That's tortellini, that.
I like eating.
You want to eat that?
Yeah.
Then we've got lasagna, and then we got this big tomato, and it got crushed. Look at it. So Ryan's going to chop it up. They're going to put that on burgers. And then I got a broccoli, mango. These were, I think they were 65p or maybe £1. No, I think they were 65p. Then this is for Ryan and I for tonight. 2 custard choux buns. It's not something that we would usually buy, but We went in there and we was really hungry, so yeah, we got these. And then the kids, Mike had a donut, and then Neva has got one of these, and Kayla's got one of these as well. So like I said, this is added to the price because we wouldn't usually buy those.
It's ill for me.
Oh, you don't like that one?
No.
And then we got this cheese and tortellini, which Neva chose. Some chocolate. And then these we've never bought before, but the kids can't wait. These are mini cod and pea fish cakes. So can you see they've got like the mushy peas inside? You chose them strawberries, didn't you? You love strawberries. You can have some in a minute when I finish this haul, okay? And then we got this offer, 3 for $10. So 4 beef burgers. There's another one there, and the 3% fat. And then these ones, I won't be able to eat all these, but I got halloumi quarter-pounder burgers for me, so I'm going to have one of those. And the kids will have these with Ryan. And then we've got these brioche burger buns. You get 4 in a pack. And yeah, so there's the other one. White onions this time. A bag of espresso. Mature cheddar, and these organic rolled oats. I really like these ones from the non-organic ones, just simply because they're really big and chunky, and I really like those. You know, I don't like it when they're like, I don't mind it so much, but I don't like it when it's like really bitty. These like stay intact when you cook them. This triple crunch chocolate crunch, which Caleb chose, and 2 deodorants. And then we've got, oh yeah, we've got these which Ryan's chose, lamb samosas. You really like them, don't you, Micah?
Yeah.
These are the strawberries what Micah chose. You want to take those, and when we open them in a minute. And then this is for Ryan, just to take to work with him. This is a chicken shawarma and spice couscous. So I think this was £5. So it's a bit pricey, but it's got loads of like different veggies in and beetroot and things like that. So I think that'll be a lot more filling for him than say like taking a sandwich to work with him. Because he's going to be out all day. And then we've got some tofu. We were only supposed to get 1 pack of chicken, and we've ended up with 2. I think the kids must have gone and got one, and then Ryan. So these are chicken fillet burgers. These buns here, Ryan's going to make some chicken burgers with them. And then this is southern fried chicken. And then we've got another chocolate hazelnut and another whole oat. Milk. And then, like I was saying to you before, when Ryan comes, he's ended up choosing these nacho cheese tortillas and chili tortillas, some garlic bread, and oh yeah, because that I forgot to say, we've got the beef lasagna again. So Ryan and the kids are going to be having that. And then I totally forgot to show you this. This is a spaghetti mushroom bolognese, and it's vegan for me, so I'm going to have that with the garlic bread while they're having that with some garlic bread as well, and like a salad. And then we've got some chili noodles. Ryan was saying that maybe we could have like a tofu dish, like a Chinese tofu dish again with the chili noodles. 3 peppers. And then these are for me, these are cold pressed 80% veg juice. So there's a beet and berry, which has got raspberry, apple and ginger. So they're unpasteurised. And this one is a carrot, orange, passion fruit and turmeric. So I've been really enjoying having a smoothie for my breakfast. So I'm just going to pour like some of that in with these smoothie mixes. So it's like 6 portions in each. So this is a green smoothie mix. It's got cucumber, lime, kale, spinach in there. Talked about this last week. And then this one, I didn't get this one last week. This is a berry one. Zingy blackcurrant banana raspberry smoothie. So I'm really looking forward to trying that one out. I've got 3 tins of tomatoes and a tin of beans. This is for like a vegan chili that I'm going to make with some lentils. And then we've got another mango, and then just under there I've got some apples. Oh, it does say Marks and Spencer's, doesn't it? And then yeah, we've got some chips. And then this, I talked about the cola from Tesco's before. Well, they've started doing loads of different like ginger beer and like lemonade. And then we saw this, so I thought we'd get the cola, and then when we're making the burgers with the chips and everything, we'll have this. So yeah, so this is everything that I've bought. Oh, and there's some hummus over there as well. And then, oh yeah, butter. I'm forgetting everything. And the coconut cream as well for lentil dal. I'm just going to turn you around. You got strawberries.
Yeah, we got strawberries. On the mother penny.
Yeah, she'll lift you up. So, we thank you for watching.
Hey, Mama.
And I really hope that you'll take a look at my other content if you are here just for the hauls. And I hope you like our other videos and what's going to be coming up in the future. And if you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!